In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step in connecting Klaviyo to your Shopify store is to find the Klaviyo app in the Shopify App Store. So, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to the Apps section on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click on All Recommended Apps. This will direct you to the Shopify App Store. From here, simply type in Klaviyo in the search bar. Once you see it in the results, click on Install to add it to your store. Great! Now that we've got the app installed, it's time to log in or sign up for Klaviyo. When you're directed to the Setup page, Klaviyo will prompt you to create an account if you don't already have one. If you're a new user, just fill in your details to get started. But if you're already signed up, just click on the login link and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, next is configuring the integration settings. It's crucial to ensure that the sync settings are set properly to get the most out of Klaviyo. Make sure that options like on-site tracking, track behavior events, and sync data with Shopify are all turned on. This will allow Klaviyo to communicate effectively with your Shopify store. After that, you'll want to select your preferred default email list for incoming subscribers to keep your marketing efforts organized. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Connect to Shopify. Now let's move on to enabling the app embed in Shopify. This step is essential for tracking to function correctly. Head back to your Shopify dashboard and look for Klaviyo under the Installed Apps section. Here you'll find an option to enable the app embed. Click on that option and it will take you to your Shopify theme editor. In the theme editor, you'll see a toggle switch for the Klaviyo app embed. Make sure you toggle it to active. Once that's done, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner to ensure all your settings are applied. And there you have it. That's how you can seamlessly connect Klaviyo to your Shopify store. With this integration properly configured, you'll be able to track customer behavior, send targeted emails, and ultimately grow your business more effectively. If you follow these simple steps, you'll have the Klaviyo app up and running in no time, harnessing its power to help boost your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and again, if you found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, happy selling!